In this video, I'll be showing you how to rearrange sections in FlowCV, which is a really easy way to customize how your resume is laid out. First, go ahead and open the resume you want to work on. Once it's open, head over to the Customize tab. From here, scroll down until you see Change Section Order. This section lets you control how your resume sections are arranged. Now, all you have to do is click and drag the sections to reorder them. As you move them around, you'll notice the changes update automatically on your resume, so you can see the layout in real time. Pro tip: if your resume has multiple panels or columns, the section order makes it really easy to see how everything is organized. Once everything looks good, just give your resume a final look to make sure you're satisfied. And yeah, that's basically how to rearrange sections in FlowCV. Thank you for watching.